Hi guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do something a little bit different today and actually do a voiceover for this plan with me. I'm going to use our new Gold Digger kit, which I'm just going through now and showing you all of the pages. So this week is from the 26th of March till the 1st of April. So even though it's Easter week, I decided to use this kit instead because I don't really celebrate Easter. So the first thing I'm doing is just putting down my bottom washi. It comes with two strips in our kit, so you get the thin gold glitter strip at the top and then the black marble strip, which also has some sort of geometric gold glitter shapes through it. I really like doing the two different washis because then you can have a thin one at the bottom and then you can always add the gold glitter one at the top. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put down the date covers. No, I'm not. I'm going to put down the flags at the top. I'm just using the black marble flags that also come in the kit. I'm not sure if anyone else has noticed, but sometimes the flags are a slightly different size on either side of the pages, which is why I struggled a little bit with the one on the right-hand side, but eventually got it to fit. Then I went on and put my date covers down, but then realised I'd already pilfered some of the dates from this sheet for another spread, so just decided to write them in by hand because I didn't have any other numbers on hand, but I still think it looks okay. And then I just like to turn the planner over because I find it much easier to line up everything. So I just went ahead and put those down. I used the date covers with the wood background. Our kits come with two date covers, which you can use over 2 weeks because our kits are quite large, that I thought it would be useful for it to come with two sets of date covers. Then I thought I'd start off by working on my sidebar, so I chose the quote box to go at the top, and it says "Go the extra mile, it's never crowded," and I really like that quote, so I thought it would be a good reminder for the week because there's always a lot of work to do. Then I brought in a gold foil header, which is from Rose Coloured Days, because I really wanted to bring lots of gold foil into the spread. I started thinking when I first started the spread that I didn't want to bring that much in, but then of course I ended up bringing a lot in anyway. Then I put down the Daily Habits header from the kit and then two habit trackers, which I'm going to use to track my water and then another vitamin that I take. I then went and put another washi strip down from our kit and then an important header, which I used to track kind of important things I had to do every day, and then the weekly sidebar tracker from the kit as well. I popped another piece of washi down and then a glitter half box. And then at the end, just another piece of washi to finish off the sidebar. I think I go back and put another quote into that half box just as another nice reminder for the week. I then moved on to my full boxes and decided to sprinkle them throughout the week rather than having them all in one line, and I topped all of them with gold foil headers, again from Rose Coloured Days. I really like how this turned out. Sometimes I think if they're all in a line at the bottom it can get a bit too much and too full with the bottom washi as well, so I enjoyed doing this. So our full boxes this week, because it's the Gold Digger kit, it's kind of all about being a boss and working hard, and of course I had to put some gold glitter in there, and I really like how it turned out with the photography, and then I added some like little drawings just outlined in black into it. I think the anemones are really pretty as well, so yeah, I really like how that turned out. And of course I love the kind of neutral look with the marble, black marble, and just like little bits of pink throughout it. I'm really enjoying that colour palette at the moment. I think I go ahead here and do I change it up a little bit? Maybe, because I forget that I wanted to put my weekend banner in. I love that full box as well with the succulent. I'm really into succulents at the moment and plants. I'm trying to keep a lot alive in my house now. And then I put down the last full box and the last foil header. I'm loving how that looks. And then just go ahead and fill out everything in my sidebar up to Thursday. Moving on to the start of the week, and Monday I start off by putting down a today header from the kit, and then I use a half box, one of the black marble ones, and then I use a package sticker as well, just one of the round icons from the kit, just to mark that we had to finish off packing up all of our sub boxes and mystery kits because they were all getting picked up that day to be sent off. It was a bit of a mission, but we managed to get it all done, which was great. And anyone who ordered, I hope you're all loving the sub boxes if you've received them so far. Then after that, I put down an appointment label and then a work sticker emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. just to denote that I wanted to keep designing the April mystery kit. Then I put down a small flag and one of our GP cleaning girls, but just cut off her legs to make it fit a bit better, and then wrote down that the cleaners were coming in that afternoon. Then I popped in a gold glitter appointment box and a little chef emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. to say that I made some rice paper rolls, which turned out really nicely. And then the end of the night, I put a Little Things TV header and wrote down that we watched the Travel Guides finale because I really love that show. I think it's hilarious. Then moving on to Tuesday, I had the full box at the top and I really wanted to get some laundry done because it had been raining a couple of days before, so I used one of our laundry icons and put down that I wanted to do 2 loads. I then added a Little Things header or Little Things strip and put a gold foil house icon from Simply Watercolour Co. to denote that Pubble's mum was in. She was helping us out with some of our work for the shop. I then used one of our groceries GP girls and wrote down that I wanted to go to the shops and pick up some food. After that, I used a to-do header and a circle checkbox just to write down a few different things that I had to do for work. After that, I go ahead and put a gold foil squiggle down from Rose Coloured Days, which was drawn by Nikki Plans, and I love using those just to fill up some extra white space if ever I have some. I then go and put a little asterisk on next to the laundry icon just to fill up that bit of white space as well, just so it didn't look so blank. Then on Wednesday, I put a black marble appointment sticker down and a gold foil aeroplane from Clever Girl Crafts just to mark in that my dad was arriving to Perth from KL in Malaysia. After that, I put a gold foil package icon from Simply Watercolour Co. just to say that I wanted to pack some orders that day. Then we went out and got some food, and at night I put a half box but lengthways and a work sticker from Arctic Paper Studio, and a work GP girl, just to say that I wanted to work for the rest of the day. On Thursday, I put a today header down along with a label sticker and a groceries icon, just because I wanted to decide what I was making for dinner that night and then go and get all of the groceries. After that, I put a gold foil flag from Arctic Paper Studio and a little water the plants once more with love munchkin. Next to it, I wrote that I wanted to remember to water 2 of the plants that I purchased last weekend, just so I can keep them alive and make sure they don't die on me. Then I used a quarter box sticker from the kit along with a gold foil laptop, again from Arctic Paper Studio, to say that I wanted to work on the June monthly kit that I was releasing that Saturday, and I really like how that turned out. After that, I added just another one of those gold foil squiggles, and then an appointment label, which I just turned around the other way, and a little film script icon, a gold foil one again from Rose Coloured Days, to say that I wanted to sit down and film this plan with me. Then I used a half box from the kit that has a little succulent in the corner and a cutlery icon also from the kit to say that my parents were coming over for dinner, and yeah, the dinner turned out really nicely and it was all yummy and everyone ate everything, which is always good. Then on Friday, I used appointment label, no, quarter box from the kit, a pink one, because I wanted to add some more pink onto this side, and a gold foil heart from Clever Girl Crafts just to mark that it was Good Friday, which means public holiday and a day off, which is always nice even though we're still working. Then I popped down a half box just to say that I wanted to edit this video, do the voiceover and upload it, because I knew it would take me a bit of time because it was my first time doing a voiceover. I hope you guys are liking it. Sorry for all the ums, but let me know if you prefer this video or the normal talk through plan with me. If you prefer this, I'm happy to do this or the other one, so just let me know. After that, I was trying to decide what to use, but I ended up using one of the wood pattern washi tapes and the organize icon from the kit, just to say that I wanted to make sure all the Etsy listings and the new releases were ready to go for the Saturday release, so I just wanted to get them all organized. I then put a little piece of washi down just for some separation and put a face mask icon and our Netflix GP girl, just to say that I wanted to relax in the evening and maybe binge a little bit on YouTube. On Saturday, I popped down a half box, the one with the girl holding her coffee, just to mark that new releases were out at 9 AM on a Saturday as usual. And then I popped a gold foil bow from Clever Girl Crafts down. I think I then realised that I'd forgotten to put in my weekend banner. So I went to put a little things down, I think, first, and then realised that I'd done this. So picked it all up and then grabbed the weekend banner and put it up the top. I like how this weekend banner turned out with the gold glitter and the offset font. I think that worked well. So I popped the full box down again, and then a little things strip along with a baking emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. just to say that I wanted to bake some cookies for the lunch that we were going to. So I popped down a half box and another gold foil flag down the bottom to say that we were going to a friend's house for lunch on Saturday, and then at night I put down a me time sticker and just wrote chill, just because I wanted to chill out a little bit. On Sunday I put a appointment label and GP exercise girl along with a squiggle just to say that I wanted to do some exercise, and then we were going to Popple's grandma's house for Easter lunch. Then a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji, and just to say that I wanted to do more work. Now I'm popping down some deco from the kit and also some deco from our January mystery kit, just because I thought it worked really well together. Wrote another quote in the corner there that just said one step at a time, because I think I always need to remember that. And that's the final spread. I hope you guys like this video. I really like how the spread turned out for this week. Let me know if you do like these voiceover videos rather than the talk throughs, or vice versa, and I'll make sure to do what you guys like. And until my next video, I'll see you then. Bye!